Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on YouTube on the best affiliate marketing niches to make passive income online. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to actually look at the most profitable niches and the best ones to earn passive income. So first of all, let's just dive deep into this and let's just start with the first group of products, which I personally just love. And it's called software, or what I like to sometimes call them as a supporting products, which I will explain just in a bit. So first of all is the software products, and most of these products are, for example, autoresponders such as GetResponse, Aweber, ConvertKit, whatever else it is, Then it is funnel builders like ClickFunnels, for example, trackers like ClickMagick, and many other things. And why I call them supporting products is that you can eventually use them in almost any online or even offline business that you might possibly work in now. And basically the thing or the idea behind that is that people who genuinely buy these products or use them, they usually stay with them for a long time. Even if they change the core business, their core business is changing, they still will be using these products because they are so powerful and they are just really good and very helpful for their business. Now, for me personally, I'm in an affiliate marketing business, and I personally use all of these products which I just mentioned, which is the autoresponder. I use, for example, GetResponse, and I also used Aweber for a period of time, but I just like GetResponse. I use ClickFunnels as as a funnel builder, and I also use ClickMagick, which is a tracking system, right? And I use these products because they really help me in my affiliate marketing business, even though my main product which I promote is completely different than these products, but I use them. And this is exactly why I like these products, because I personally use them, so I can actually recommend them as well to my other people, or to my clients, or to you especially, right? And I stay with these products for a long time because I just like them, they help me, and without them I wouldn't be a successful affiliate marketer. And these products usually have around 20 to 35% commissions. I think GetResponse has a 30 or 33% commission, not sure about this. ClickFunnels have 20% commission, and ClickMagick have 35% commission. And the best thing about this is that all of these commissions are recurring, which means when you make a sale once, and the product or the customer stays with the product for another, 6 months, you will get the same commission for those 6 months that the customer stays with it. So what happens is that you make a sale once and you will get paid for the same sale basically 6 months ongoing, right? So this is really powerful. And the best thing about this is also that you can basically combine these products to some other products that you promote, right? You can actually give some value, like for example, you can teach people how to use this product, or how to do, for example, how to do affiliate marketing, and you can actually recommend them using these products because you personally use these products and they are very helpful, and they will increase their conversions and their sales. So this is basically the software product, software niche. Now the second niche is basically web hosting. Now web hosting, what it basically means is whenever you buy or create a website, you need a web hosting to basically put that website on. And these web hosting sites or companies, they usually pay quite a lucrative commissions for every sale you make, because they know that the customer stays with the product for a long time. For example, I have a website which is my blog, and I have it from SiteGround, and I created a website and it's just there. I don't intend to change my web hosting in a near future or even in a long future, because it just stays there, because it's just web hosting. I don't really intend to work with it that much as probably maybe some programmers. And many people are just like this. They buy the product once, and if there is nothing wrong with it, obviously then they will stay with the product for a long time, because once you get comfortable with it, you don't want to change it, right? And for example, SiteGround offers, I think they have, if you make a 1 to 5 sales per month, you will get a 40 euros or dollars per each sale. Now, when you do more sales per month, you will obviously get even more commissions, and the biggest or the highest one is, I think, between 11 to 20. That's around 75 euros. And if you do more, then they will just adjust it accordingly to it. And the reason behind these high commissions for this is really the fact that the customers really stays for years to come with them. So when you make the sale, they pay you $40 or even 75 or even 100, whatever it is. They will stay with the product for even 5 to 10 years. So they don't really care about giving you the $100, because they know they will make multiples and multiples, 100 times more from that particular customer. So that's web hosting. Now, another great one for web hosting is, for example, Namecheap. Now, Namecheap, most of us usually know from, basically getting our domain ready, right? Buying a domain from. Now, I personally, again, use Namecheap for the sake of domains, and I use them because they are quite cheap, and it's very easy to navigate. And many of the those supporting products which I talked about before, those software products, they do have kind of like the tutorials and everything, the examples made for Namecheap, right? So I don't really care about some kind of like service or other extra products, to be honest with you, when it comes to domains. So I just use Namecheap because it really is cheap, and I personally do like the way that they use it as a tutorial with other supporting products. So I use Namecheap for all of my products and for my domains, and they also have affiliate programs. Now, obviously, you're not going to get thousands and thousands of dollars from selling a domains, because obviously domains are quite cheap. But when somebody is going to buy a domain, obviously everybody needs a domain, especially when it comes to an online business, right? So why not buying it from, I personally think, one of the cheapest ones, if not the cheapest ones, and you will get your commissions, right? So it doesn't really need to be a high commission at the first time, but it will genuinely add up, and it's just like a small commissions adding up. And it's not just the domain, they do have other products they offer, like a private email and other things like VPNs and so on, and you get the commissions from all of these products. So again, it's all about those small commissions adding all up together. So this is the second point which we are talking about, that is the web hosting. And now the third type is actually the make money online niche. Now with make money online niche, it's a little bit of a tricky one, because on the marketplaces you will find lots of crappy products, to be honest with you. However, the good thing is that you can spot these products quite easily. The only thing you need to do is go over the product and check the sales page. That is basically the page which customer will see, and that's basically giving all the information to the customer prior to the sale. So go over to the sales page and check this sales page, what it actually offers, what it's promising, and look for the red flags. If it is over promising, if it is putting some outrageous statements like, for example, be an overnight success, or earn 1 million in 1 week without any work, or these kind of things. You can really spot it on when you just think about it. You don't need to be an expert in affiliate marketing to really spot these these outrageous statements and these over-promising things, because you can just use some general logic into this. Any business, and with affiliate marketing, obviously affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses to get involved in. However, no business at all will be so easy that you don't need to put the time, the effort, and the energy into it, and it takes some time as well. So any product that really promises quick, fast results, huge results without any work, just stay away from it. Don't get involved into it. Now, the other part about Make Money Online niche is, and I don't really see many people talking about this, is that most of the products in Make Money Online niche will offer you a one-time commission, which means you make the sale, you get around 50 to 75% commissions, and that's basically it. Doesn't really matter how long the customer stays with the product, you will get just that one-time commission. However, some of the products, they do offer you a recurring income from these customers, and that basically means that you will get a 75% commission for the one-time sale, right? And then if the customer stays for I don't know how many months, you will get a recurring commission. Now, the recurring commission will obviously be lower than the one-time commission, right? However, it is still an additional income, an additional recurring commission. And it can be, if the one-time commission is 75%, the recurring one can be 25%, but it doesn't really matter about the amount of it. The most important part is that you get paid for the same sale over the next several months to come, right? And so this is really powerful. And so if you look at it properly, if you do the research of the products, you will find these products. Now, it doesn't really matter if you're using ClickBank as an affiliate marketplace or JVZoo, Warrior Plus, these are the three top ones. Doesn't really matter, you can find probably at all of these marketplaces these kind of products, but you need to do the research into it. And this is really what I look for in promoting affiliate marketing products. If it doesn't have recurring income, I'm not that much interested in it anymore. So all of my products which I promote, or I want to promote, or I recommend to my customers, is with the recurring income. It just basically you are being more and more effective with your sales, with your conversions, and it just multiplies your income by this. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from it. So first of all, we talked about the the software niche. Then we talked about the web hosting niche, and then we talk about the Make Money Online niche. And you can actually combine all of these three into your affiliate marketing promotions, affiliate marketing business. So this is it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to know more about how to promote the products correctly, how to combine these kind of products, and basically literally multiplying your incomes from affiliate marketing, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and you will get a full access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about affiliate marketing and the strategies to implement into your affiliate marketing in more detail, in great detail, and you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing and how to do it properly. And if you are interested, then there will be an option for us to work together as well. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.